Locals around here speak of a white redwood tree. Wouldn't that be cool if we could actually find one? Wonder what it would look like. Would it just stand out? Would it be completely obvious? Hope so. I mean, if it's worth mentioning. Some of the locals say they've found at least 10 of them out here. That would be cool. I'll be happy to just see one. I don't have time to go look for 10 of these suckers. I mean, if I lived around here, it'd be one thing. You know, something to do, it'd be fun. But it's so far away. I don't know. It'd just be cool to find. I'd just be happy to see one. They told me something about a rock. You know, pass through this rock and then keep going. And it'd be pretty obvious. The person told me. So, see what happens. Albino redwoods are extremely rare, and most people probably have never even heard of one, to tell you the truth. It's believed that there's only between 60 and 400 of these specimens in the world. So for me to be able to find one today would be pretty awesome. While the albino redwood may seem like an anomaly, they do have ecological significance, however, and they do play a role in the nutrient cycling and may contribute to the overall resilience of the ecosystem within the forests. You know, it really is difficult to grasp just how tall these things are, just how massive they are, until you've actually walked out here, unless you've actually walked amongst the giants. What exactly causes albinism in redwood trees is still up for debate. Some say it's a fungus, while others call it a genetic mutation, chimerism, inherited genes, or just a mutation in the chlorophyll synthesis gene. So the albino portion of the tree means that part of the tree is not capable of photosynthesis, which, as you know, is how the tree gets its food. What? Is that it? That thing's crazy looking. Check that out. Just glowing in the middle of the forest like that. That thing's wild. That is nuts. That's gotta be what they're talking about. Ever seen anything like this before? That is absolutely wild.